beside the sea arrived up. The morning sun is shining softly, golden light upon the waves. I hear the ocean gently calling, like a song my heart still craves. The palm trees dance beside the shoreline, the island breeze is warm and free. And every step I take reminds me, this is where I'm meant to be. I have traveled many pathways, searching for a place of peace, carrying dreams and old memories, waiting for my heart to breathe. But the ocean showed me slowly what my soul already knew. The happiness I was searching for was always waiting in the blue. Let the waves carry my worries, let the tide wash them away. There is healing in the ocean, there is hope in every day. My soul belongs beside the sea, where the waves set my spirit free. With the ocean breeze around me, I become the best of me. My soul belongs beside the sea, where my heart finds harmony. With the reggae rhythm flowing gently, I find peace inside of me. My soul belongs beside the sea, underneath the endless sky, where the sun, the waves and palm trees help my dreams begin to fly. The flowers bloom along the pathway, the birds are singing in the trees. The sunset paints the ocean golden, bringing calmness over me. Every moment feels like treasure, every breath feels like a gift. The simple beauty of this island helps my heavy heart to lift. I remember days of rushing, always chasing something more, never seeing all the blessings that were waiting at my door. Now I listen to the silence, now I feel the world slow down, finding joy in simple moments in this peaceful island town. My soul belongs beside the sea, where the waves set my spirit free. With the ocean breeze around me, I become the best of me. My soul belongs beside the sea, where my heart finds harmony. With the reggae rhythm flowing gently, I find peace inside of me. Oh. When the moon shines on the water and the stars appear above, I can feel the ocean whisper songs of peace and endless love. No treasure hidden in the world could compare to what I feel. The ocean gives my soul a freedom that is honest, pure and real. The road ahead may bring new seasons, there may be storms along the way, but I know the sea reminds me every night becomes a day. Like the waves that keep on moving, like the tide that finds the shore, I will follow where my heart leads and keep searching nevermore. So walk beside the ocean with a heart that's open wide. Let the rhythm of the water always be my peaceful guide. Through the changes and the moments, through whatever life may bring, I will carry this connection like a beautiful song I sing. My soul belongs beside the sea, forever where I'm meant to be. With the sunshine and the ocean, I have found my harmony. My soul belongs beside the sea, where my heart can finally breathe. With the reggae rhythm around me, I have found my inner peace. My soul belongs beside the sea, a paradise inside my heart, where the waves and sky come together and a new dream can start. The waves rolling, the waves rolled out, carrying away every doubt. The ocean calls, the palm trees sway. Peace will guide me every day. The garden of island dreams. The morning sun is softly shining, golden rays across the land. Flowers bloom beside the pathway, beauty growing where we stand. The island breeze is gently moving, whispering stories through the trees. A peaceful garden full of dreams, growing beside the endless seas. I have searched across the distance, looking for a place to stay, looking for a little comfort, looking for a brighter day. But I discovered something special in the simple things I see. A garden full of love and beauty, living deep inside of me. Let the sunshine warm your spirit, let the ocean calm your mind. Every dream can start to blossom when your heart leaves fear behind. A garden of island dreams, where the world is bright and free. With the flowers and the ocean, I found peace inside of me. A garden of island dreams, where the gentle breezes flow. With a reggae rhythm around me, I have found a place I know. A garden of island dreams, underneath the tropical sky, where the love, the waves and sunshine help my soul begin to fly. The palm trees sway beside the water. The birds are singing in the blue. Every morning brings a blessing. Every moment feels brand new. The colors of the island garden paint a picture full of light, turning ordinary moments into something warm and bright. I remember all the seasons when my heart was feeling tired, when my dreams were hidden somewhere and my hope was uninspired. But the ocean kept reminding me that new beginnings grow like a flower after rainfall. Beautiful things will show. A garden of island dreams, where the world is bright and free. With the flowers and the ocean, I found peace inside of me. A garden of island dreams, where the gentle breezes flow. With the reggae rhythm around me, I have found the place I know. When the sunset paints the horizon with a golden ocean flame, I walk through my island garden, feeling grateful that I came. The moon appears above the water, stars are shining in the night, and the flowers seem to whisper, everything will be alright. No treasure from a distant kingdom, no riches could compare to the peace found in the moments when love and kindness are there. For the greatest gift is living with a heart that feels complete, finding beauty in the journey, finding joy beneath your feet. Let your dreams become like flowers, let your heart become the ground. Plant the seeds of love and kindness, let their beauty grow around. Through the storms and changing seasons, through the days that come and go, there is always hope within you, there is always room to grow. A garden of island dreams, forever blooming in my heart. With the ocean and the sunshine, I have found a brand new start. A garden of island dreams, where my soul can breathe and stay. With the reggae rhythm flowing gently, I will cherish every day. A garden of island dreams, a paradise beside the sea, where the flowers, waves and sunshine live forever inside of me. The flowers bloom, the palm trees sway. The island smiles at the end of day. A garden full of love and light will guide my heart through every night. morning sun is gently rising, golden light across the land. The island wakes with peaceful colors, like a dream we understand. The palm trees dance beside the ocean, the waves are singing soft and clear. A quiet place of love and laughter, a place where happiness is near. I have walked through many pathways, searching for a place to stay, looking for a little comfort, looking for a brighter day. But I discovered something beautiful that was waiting all along, in the simple island moments where my heart could sing its song. Let the sunshine fill your spirit, let the ocean calm your soul. When you open up your heart, you can finally feel whole. The place where happiness grows, where the gentle island breeze blows, where the flowers bloom with love and light, and the stars shine through the night. The place where happiness grows, where my peaceful heart now knows, with the reggae rhythm flowing free, I found the best part of me. The place where happiness grows, underneath the endless sky, where the ocean waves keep calling, and my dreams can learn to fly. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, the birds are singing in the trees. Every corner holds a blessing, carried softly by the breeze. The little smiles of island people, the kindness shared from heart to heart, show me that the greatest treasures are the simple things we start. I remember days of rushing, always chasing something new, never seeing all the beauty that was right in front of you. Now I slow down and appreciate every moment, every day, because happiness is growing when we choose a peaceful way. The place where happiness grows, where the gentle island breeze blows, where the flowers bloom with love and light, and the stars shine through the night. The place where happiness grows, where my peaceful heart now knows, with the reggae rhythm flowing free, I found the best part of me. When the sunset paints the water with a golden ocean glow, I walk beneath the palm tree shadows, feeling grateful as I go. The moon appears above the island, stars are shining bright and clear, and I feel a quiet happiness, knowing I belong right here. No treasure from a distant kingdom, no riches could ever compare to the love and peace surrounding me, and the beauty waiting there, for a heart that learns to cherish, finds a gift beyond all things. Happiness grows like a flower when the soul believes and dreams. So let your heart find its garden, let your dreams begin to grow. Let the sunshine guide your journey, let your inner light still glow. Through the storms and changing seasons, through the highs and through the lows, there is always a place waiting where your happiness can grow. A place where happiness grows, forever where my spirit goes. With the ocean and the island breeze, I have found my harmony. The place where happiness grows, a beautiful dream that I know. With the reggae rhythm around me, I will never let it go. The place where happiness grows, a paradise inside my heart, where the waves and sky come together and every day becomes a star. The palm trees sway, the palm trees sway, the palm trees sway, the palm trees sway. The morning sun is gently rising, golden light across the land. The island wakes with peaceful colors, like a dream we understand. The palm tree stands beside the ocean. The waves are singing soft and clear. A quiet place of love and laughter, a place where happiness is near. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms. The morning sun is slowly rising, golden colors fill the sky. A gentle breeze is softly moving as the clouds go drifting by. The palm trees dance beside the ocean. The waves are singing with the tide. A brand new day is waiting for me, with a smile I cannot hide. I leave behind the weight of yesterday and welcome what today can bring. The island wakes with joy and laughter while the birds begin to sing. Every moment feels like magic, every breath feels fresh and new. The sunshine brings a little promise that my dreams can still come true. Feel the rhythm of the island, feel the warmth beneath the sun. Every day is a new blessing, every journey has begun. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms flowing gently through my heart. With the ocean breeze around me, I can feel a brand new start. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms. beside the pathway. The island shines with morning light. The colors paint a beautiful picture, making everything feel right. The people smile and share their kindness. The simple moments mean so much. A friendly word, a loving gesture can become a gentle touch. Chase so many answers, always running toward the next day. But I learned that true happiness can be found along the way. In the laughter and the memories, in the love that we can share, in the beauty all around us, and the moments we prepare. Sunrise, smiles and ocean breeze around me, I can feel a brand new start. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms, like a song beneath the sky. With the happiness around me, I feel my spirit rise and fly. And the golden sun goes down, I remember all the blessings that this island life has found. The moon will shine above the water, the stars will guide me through the night, and I'll carry all these feelings like a warm and peaceful light. No treasure could ever be greater than a heart that feels alive. No journey could be more beautiful than the one where dreams survive. The ocean teaches me to trust now. The rhythm teaches me to flow. And the island keeps reminding me there is beauty where I go. Let the music keep on playing. Let the sunshine lead your way. Let the reggae heal your spirit with the joy of every day. Through the changes and the seasons, through the moments big and small, keep the smile inside your heart now. There is beauty after all. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms, forever dancing in my soul. With the ocean and the island breeze, I have finally found my home. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms, a feeling I will always keep. With the warmth of tropical mornings, my heart finds a peaceful beat. Sunrise, smiles and reggae rhythms, underneath the endless blue, every day feels like a blessing when I spend it feeling true. The sun will rise, the waves will sing. The island brings a beautiful spring. With every smile and every sound, peace and happiness can be found. The morning sun is shining softly, golden light across the sea. Gentle breeze comes from the ocean, calling out so peacefully. The palm trees sway beside the shoreline. The waves are dancing with the sand, and I feel a sense of freedom, like I found my promised land. I have carried many worries, I have walked through many storms, searching for a place of comfort, searching for a heart that warms. But the island showed me slowly that the beauty I was seeking was not somewhere far away. It was waiting in this moment. Let the wind carry your worries, let the waves wash them away. Every breath can bring a blessing, every night can meet the day. Carried away by the island breeze, where my heart can finally be free. With the ocean singing around me, I found the peace I need. Carried away by the island breeze, underneath the tropical trees, with the reggae rhythm flowing gently, I found my harmony. Carried away where my dreams begin to rise, with the sunshine and the ocean, I can see a brighter sky. The flowers bloom along the pathway, the birds are singing in the blue. Every corner of this island feels like something fresh and new. The simple smiles of happy people, the laughter carried by the air, remind me that the greatest treasures are the moments that we share. I spent so many days searching for a place where I belong, looking for a little comfort, looking for a peaceful song. Then I heard the ocean whisper, slow down and enjoy the ride. Now I let the island breeze be my gentle guide. Carried away by the island breeze, where my heart can finally be free. With the ocean singing around me, I found the peace I need. Carried away by the island breeze, underneath the tropical trees, with the reggae rhythm flowing gently, I found my harmony. When the sunset paints the horizon with a golden ocean glow, I sit beside the quiet shoreline, watching peaceful waters flow. The moon appears above the island, stars are shining through the night, and I feel a deep connection to this beautiful paradise. No treasure hidden in the world could replace the peace I feel. No dream could ever be much greater than a moment that is real. The ocean teaches me patience, the breeze teaches me to grow, and the island keeps reminding me there is beauty everywhere. everywhere I go. So I'll follow where the wind blows, with a heart that's open wide. Let the rhythm of the ocean always be my peaceful guide. Through the seasons and the changes, through the roads I have to take, I will carry this island feeling, every memory I make. Carried away by the island breeze, forever where my spirit feels free. With the waves and the sunshine, I found the best part of me. Carried away by the island breeze, a beautiful song from the sea. With the reggae rhythm around me, I found my harmony. Carried away by the island breeze, a paradise inside my heart, where the ocean meets the sky above, and every dream can start. The waves roll in, the waves roll out, taking away every doubt. The island breeze will always be a peaceful song inside of me.
The sun has slowly disappeared, leaving colors in the sky. The ocean rests beneath the moonlight as the stars begin to shine. The gentle waves are softly singing a melody across the shore, and the island breeze is whispering a peaceful song forevermore. I have walked through many moments, I have searched for something true, looking for a place of comfort, looking for a different view. But the ocean showed me slowly that peace was waiting all along. In the quiet of the evening, in the beauty of this song. Let the moonlight calm your spirit, let the waves release your mind. There is magic in the silence, there is beauty left to find. Soft moonlight and ocean songs, where my heart feels safe and strong. With the waves beneath the stars, I can dream and travel far. Soft moonlight and ocean song, a peaceful rhythm all night long. With the reggae flowing gently, songs like a melody from the sea, where the world becomes so quiet and my heart can finally breathe. The palm trees sway beneath the heavens, the island sleeps so peacefully. The moon reflects upon the water like a painting in front of me. Every wave carries a story, every breeze a memory. Every moment feels like a blessing, a gift the night has given me. I remember days of rushing, trying hard to find my way, always chasing after something, never stopping for today. Now I listen to the ocean, now I understand the flow. Life is found within the moments, and the love rhythm gently. I found where my soul belongs. When the midnight sky surrounds me and the stars are shining bright, I can feel the ocean calling with a voice of love and light. No treasure from the deepest waters, no riches from a distant land could replace the simple beauty of the waves upon the sand. The ocean teaches me to listen, the moon teaches me to dream. The island keeps on reminding me life is more than what it seems. Every storm will find an ending, every cloud will drift away, and the peaceful songs of nature will guide me through each day. So I'll dance beneath the moonlight with the ocean as my friend. Let the rhythm of the island carry me until the end. Through the seasons and the changes, through the roads I have to go, I will keep this peaceful feeling like a river's gentle flow. Soft moonlight and ocean song, forever where my heart belongs. With the waves and island breezes, I have found my peaceful home. Soft moonlight and ocean song, a beautiful melody. With the reggae rhythm around me, I am finally feeling free. Soft moonlight and ocean song, underneath the endless sea, where the moon, the stars, and ocean live forever inside of me. The waves roll in, the waves roll out, the waves roll out, carrying away every doubt. The moon shines down, the ocean sings. Peace arrives on gentle wings. The morning sun is softly shining, golden rays across the sea. The island wakes with gentle colors, bringing peace and joy to me. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, the palm trees dance beneath the sky, and I feel a love surrounding me, like a dream that's passing by. I remember when I found you, like a sunrise after rain. You brought warmth into my heart and took away the pain. Every moment spent beside you feels like a gift from above, like a garden full of beauty, growing with our endless love. Let the sunshine shine upon us, let the ocean sing our song. waves are dancing on the shoreline. The birds are singing in the trees. Every corner of this island carries memories of you and me. The sunset paints the world in gold now. The evening feels so calm and bright, and your smile becomes the reason that my heart feels pure delight. We don't need a world of riches, we don't need the stars above, for the greatest treasure I have found is the beauty of your love. In the simple little moments, in the laughter that we share, I can feel a special blessing, knowing you will always care. Love blooms under tropical skies, like a flower reaching for the light. Ooh, with your hand holding mine forever, everything feels warm and right. Oh, love blooms under tropical skies, where the ocean meets the blue. With the island breeze around us, I found my paradise with you. When the moon shines on the water and the stars appear above, I will always keep this feeling of this beautiful island love. The seasons may keep on changing and the years may come and go, but the love that grows between us will continue strong and grow like